We are pleased to show you the 2018 Grand Cherokee. This vehicle is powered by a four-wheel drive, six-cylinder, 3.6-liter engine, and comes with an automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, hill descent control, remote engine start, traction control, stability control, roll stability control, front suspension type, strut, daytime running lights, fog lights, power brakes. Inside you'll find airbags, driver, knee, heated steering wheel, electronic messaging assistance, cruise control, multifunctional information center, child safety locks, tachometer, airbags, passenger, occupant sensing deactivation, power steering, one-touch windows, 2. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.